Hey guys, today we are in Audi with RMC system, and I'm going to show you how to set the clock over here, how to set the time between the winter and summer modes. So over here we need to go into menu, and when you are in main menu you can see that there's a time label over here in the upper left corner, and this means that the upper left button over here next to the control wheel will take us to the time options. So when you press over here you have this menu, and you can set the time manually over here. Let me zoom in. But actually what you want to do is go over here and set summertime to off, and we can see that it's 13:30 and now it's 12:30 when we set the summertime to off. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this simple tutorial. Give me a thumbs up if you like this and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.